Yes. Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. Yes, it's me and Suzuki again. And today I want to do a review on the James Charles set of eye makeup brushes. I bought them on impulse in the weekend. I just saw them at Mecca. I love going to Mecca and just walk around and see what products they've got and just browse around. And I saw the James Charles brushes. If I could hold Suzuki and show you the James Charles brushes. There you are, the James Charles brushes. Um, yep. Um, so I bought them on impulse. I felt I could do with a couple more uh, eye brushes, so I bought them. They're $85 at Mecca. So if you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. All my skincare videos are only 5 minutes long, and I post a video every Monday and Thursday. So to do a review on the James Charles brushes, I'm actually going to do an eye makeup and just really test them out. Let's get on with it. Set. So I'm just going to open it. So this is what it looks like. It's got a beautiful container. It's got buttons on the side. So here are the brushes. Yeah, this container is really useful. Just inside the James Charles collection. If you read the little words on the back here, it says they are made in China. So all these brushes are made in China. I'm going to open them one by one. So I've just opened the first packet, and it's got 3 brushes like this. And I'm going to open the second packet now. There are about 7 brushes in here on the second packet. So the second packet has got 7 brushes. And now the third packet. And this has got 3 brushes, a little bit bulkier. So here you are, James Charles brushes. So I thought the best way to test out a product is to actually try them out. So today I'm going to do an evening eye makeup, evening going out makeup for my eyes. I already have my face all ready with my foundation. I've done my eyebrow. So today, to test out these brushes, I'm going to be using the Zoeva Smoky Eyes palette. And I'm going to be using some shimmers from the Too Faced Natural Last palette. So let's get started. To start with, I'm looking for the bulkiest brush I could find because I want to cover the whole eyelid area here. And so I'm going to use this one here. And I'm going to use this light one here. Not too bad. I can feel the pressure on the brush, so that's not too bad. I'm just going to dab all over my eyelid. So this brush here, it says Morphe 433. And then I'm going to use the next bulkiest one I could find. It actually says Morphe 166. So I'm going to use the pink here. Just like pink, dusty pink here. Just start to build a bit of depth for the eyes. And I just dab it according to the contour of my eyebrow. I dab it all over the eyes. The other brush is this very thin, narrow one. It actually says Morphe 506. So I'm going to use this one here. And just the same color again, the pink, for my lower lashes, lower lash line. Yeah, the brushes does have a very nice stroke in them. Yeah, strokes nicely. And now I'm just going to put some eyeliner and eye crayon on my eyes. Now that I've put on the black eyeliner and eye crayon on my lower and upper lash lines, I'm going to use this quite narrow, flat brush here. It actually says Morphe 124. And I'm going to soften my black eyeliner by using a black eyeshadow. And in this beautiful Zoeva Smoky palette, it's got a beautiful black here. It's very generous with the eyeshadow. I mean, it's got nice, decent size, so there's plenty. It will last a long time. Yeah, nice, nice. Really quite. It's got nice precision on them, actually. I'm really impressed with these brushes so far. Yeah, it's got nice, nice precision. It's got nice pressure on them. Soften that black. The black just really gives me a base for other colors to follow. To put a deeper color into the socket, I'm going to use this flat brush. It actually says Morphe 152, actually. Morphe 152. It's James Charles brushes, but on the brushes, it actually says Morphe and it's got numbered brushes. I do personally own a set of Morphe brushes that are numbered for my own makeup work. So, and I'm just going to use this quite darkish brown here, just to put them into my sockets. Just dab them into my sockets. Just building a bit more intensity because I've got hooded lid. When I open my eye, half the colors is being covered up, so I need to really put them above, just dab them above the brow bone. Yes, this is quite nice brushes, beautiful. And now I'm just going to add a bit of shimmer, just add a bit of drama because I'm going out tonight. So I'm going to use some shimmer from the Too Faced Natural Last palette. And I'm going to use the Love Spark right at the top here, Love Spark. And I'm just going to dab them right in the middle of the lid. And I'm going to use this blue one again called Peacocking. Just got a beautiful blue. Really give a bit of color. I'm using the Love Shark to go from just the top here and go right into the inner corner, just giving that quite highlighting look. Now I'm going to use this very tiny flat slanted brush. It actually says Morphe 158, and I'm going to put the whitest color I could find, which is this one here, all tied up, and just put right on the edge of my eyebrow to give a bit of lifting for my eyes. You go right on the edge of your brow line by drawing a nice tiny line with this nice slanted brush. Really gives a bit of highlighting, especially for evening look. On this side as well. Can you see it just create quite a bit of drama and really gives my eyes a look? You want your makeup, whatever you do, so when you look at the mirror, everything is going up. You know, just lift your face up. If you find that your makeup technique is just, you know, bringing your face down, just change the technique. Just apply a different technique and just making sure that everything goes upward and just give your eyes that pop and uplifted look. And now to blend everything together, I'm going to take this almost fan looking brush. And again, it says Morphe E62. And I'm just going to blend everything together. And to do that, I'm just going to go back to my Zoeva And I'm just going to take this darkish, almost maroonish color here. I'm just going to just blend everything together. Just very lightly. I don't want to disturb the shimmers that I've got, but just very lightly. I just use the flat of the fan side to just tap them. It's got a nice tapping stroke. Right here, corner of my eyes. Nice brushes. These are really nice brushes. So I can do this. Just build up the corner. Yeah, these are just beautiful brushes. Really are. And now with another slightly flattish blunt brush. It actually says Morphe M502 here. And I'm just going to put a little bit on the bridge of my nose. And I'm just going to use this brownish color here. Quite earthy brown. I'm just going to draw always just slightly draw to the middle of my nose here. This brushes has good pressure, and I'm just going to tidy this up. There you are. My eye makeup is done using the James Charles brushes. There are 12 brushes, and today I only use 8 of them. So just show you the ones that I use today. So these are the 8 that I used today to create my eye makeup, and I feel that the 8 that I did use, there's enough pressure in them. There's sufficient bristles and fiber to give me that precision work, and it's got really good pressure, so I don't lose my grip, and I'm really happy with my eye look. And the other 4 that I didn't use, so I only used 8. The other 4 that I didn't get to use today are these 4 here, so they don't have what you call the celebrity's name printed on them, and they all have Morphe and they all have numbers on them. So I paid $85 for these James Charles brushes, and I think they are pretty good value. Yeah, they really are very good quality, and I'm very happy with them. So there you are, my review on the James Charles brushes. Thank you so much for watching today. I post a video every Monday and Thursday, and all my skincare videos are only 5 minutes long. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. If you like my video today, give me a thumbs up button. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.